Good afternoon, friends. This is going to be our fourth video on management functions. So, through this video, we will be able to enter the second module. Second module is basically containing planning, process of planning, strategic planning, hierarchy of plans, organizing, types of organizational structures, blah blah blah. So they constitute the second module. So through this video we will be basically dealing with three things. First thing is concept of planning and importance of planning. Second thing is we will be also discussing strategic planning, and if we are getting some space we will be also discussing about organizing. So anyway, let us speak something about planning. Planning is all about setting certain goals or objectives and making a strategy to achieve that goal or objective. Planning रे मुख्यतः दुईटी कथा आसीबो. प्रथम कथा आसीबो कोन ना लक्ष्य स्थिर होबो. एटा गोटे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रो लक्ष्य होई पारे, गोटे डिपार्टमेंट रो लक्ष्य होई पारे, किंबा गोटे मैक्रो एंगल रे भी नेशनल पर्सपेक्टिव पाए भी हमें प्लानिंग ऊपर आलोचना करि पारि. But as far as our management function is concerned, आमे बेसिकली गोटे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को आखिर रखुचे, ताकू देखि करी आमे गोटे लक्ष्य स्थिर करिबा. लक्ष्य केमते स्थिर करा जे से भी गोटे प्रोसेस. Anyway, planning includes two things: setting certain goals or setting certain objectives and making a strategy to achieve that goal or objectives. अन्य अर्थ रे जदि हम स्पष्ट करिबा, we are basically speaking three things: S, T, P. First alphabet is about situational analysis. आमे एबे कोठी अछंती. Second alphabet is T. What is the target? आमे कुआड को जीवा को चाहुचंती. So this is what we mean by our goals or objectives or targets. And third thing is P. P means path, the strategy to reach at our goals or objectives. So anyway, as I have already explained, managers have got certain functions. By using these functions, managers are able to minimize input and maximize output. Let me also clarify why planning is important, or what is the importance of planning. So in order to understand the importance of planning, we need to understand 5 basic things. First thing is proper utilization of resources. Second thing is converting uncertainty into certainty. And the third thing is, and the third important thing is, as far as planning is concerned, economy in operation. And fourth thing is tackling increasing complexity of business. And last thing is effective control. Let us discuss the first point. That means effective utilization of resources. ए क्षेत्र रे भी प्लानिंग रो आवश्यकता रही. गला क्लास मानक रे बुझौची resources are always limited. So within limited resources we need to achieve our goals. तले बे प्रश्न आसीबो को रास्ता बाटे आमे काम कले मिनिमम रिसोर्स को यूज करी आमे हम लक्ष्य स्थल रे पहुंची परिबा. तले एई भली पृष्ठभूमि रे आमे जदि प्लानिंग ठीक रे करिबा माने आमे सेही रास्ताटा को बाछिबा जो रास्ता रे मिनिमम इनपुट एंड मैक्सिमम आउटपुट. तले से रास्ता बाछि की काम करिबा माने कोन आमे प्लान्ड वे रे ही काम करूचंती. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट व्हिच सिग्निफाइज द इंपोर्टेंस ऑफ प्लानिंग. Second point is converting uncertainty into certainty, because planning includes two things: forecasting, and on the basis of forecasting we are making certain plans or we are having some strategies. तामाने कोनतला आपण forecasting करूचंती, आपण फ्यूचर को नै कि फोरकास्ट करूचंती. त फोरकास्टिंग ऊपर रे डिपेंड करूची प्लानिंग रो सक्सेस. तामाने कोन अनसर्टेनिटी थिले भी जदि आमे फोरकास्टिंग करि पारुची जोटा कि प्लानिंग रे एक बड़ अंश फोरकास्टिंग करी कि जदि से हिसाब रे आमे मूव करूचे ताहले हम अनसर्टेनिटी को भी टैकल अप करूचे. Then third thing is we are also including tackling increasing complexity of business, because as long as we are in a small business organization, planning may not be so much important. But when we are speaking about a multinational company, we are having many people, having many qualifications, we are having many products, we are having many divisions. we need to decide who will do what. That means we need to have a planned approach to manage our organization if it is becoming larger. So the basic thing is, as long as business volume is small, then planning may not be so important. But when the business volume is increasing and the size of business is increasing, we need to follow a planned approach to achieve our goal. Last point is effective control, because plans must be backed by some control. Control means in case there is some deviation, because three things are very important: planning, implementation and control. If implementation may not happen as per the plan, we have got another backup option, that is known as controlling. So in order to establish control, we need to have plan first. So plans must be backed by control, and if we are having controlling, we are already having plans. So with the help of control, we are able to achieve our goals, and control needs planning. So these are the areas where we are realizing the importance of planning. Second thing is, planning can be of two types: operational planning and strategic planning. When we speak about the concept of, say, strategic planning, we are looking at the entire organization, and we are speaking about organizational goal. We are speaking about a strategy to achieve the organizational goal. And when we are speaking about organizational goal, we are speaking about a competitive business environment, because goal will be set in a competitive environment. That means with respect to the competitor, we are able to set our goal, and to achieve that goal, we are making some strategy. So that is what we mean by strategic planning. And the basic focus is, with respect to the competitor, things will be moving on. So this is some ideas about strategic planning. Then the third thing is also coming under your syllabus, that is about hierarchy of plans. Because when we speak about hierarchy of plans, first thing is you have got your vision. This is also connected with some sort of plans, because these are all coming under planning. You have got a vision. Vision means you have got a dream that gets translated into mission. Then you get your goals. From your goals, you may be getting your objectives, and the objectives may be converted into certain targets. So these are coming under the hierarchy of plans. In some cases, we are also including policies. You are also including policies. So they all come under the basket of hierarchy of plans. So this is some exposure about planning, the concept, the importance, the types of plans, and the hierarchy of plans. In the next video, we will be discussing about organizational structures, types of organizational structures. So the other leftover things will be discussed in the next video. If you have got some queries, you are most welcome to ask. So wishing you a good day.